In this section we're going to look at creating project. A project is usually created new for each game or piece of action that you wish to analyse. This is the basic setup for a project. As we look at the window, we can see here on the left, this is the video of the action that we want to review with all the controls to watch the video underneath. On the top right we have the results grid, underneath that we have the events list, and below that we have the buttons in the category set that we're using for this project, which we use to input the events that we want to review. To create a new project, move the cursor to the top left of the screen, click on File and click on New Project. A window appears in the middle of the screen called New Focus Project. It looks for us to add some information about the project we are creating. The first thing we should do is to name the project. This time we're going to name it Football Demonstration Project. Underneath the project name, we have the option to enter some further information to describe the project, such as friendly match or perhaps qualifier. Underneath the description, it asks us to choose a folder to store the project in. Try to keep your projects stored in the one folder to make it easier to find them. When you downloaded Focus, a file structure was automatically created that provides a projects folder for you to store all of your projects in. You can find this folder under My Documents, My Focus Files, Projects. Browse to this projects folder, highlight it and then press OK. Focus will now always store your projects in this folder. And here we can see that our project has stored into the Documents, My Focus Files, Projects folder. Finally, we have to select a category set for this project. When it comes to choosing a category set, we have three options. We can create a brand new category set from scratch, or we can choose a category set from our library of category sets that we have already created, or we can choose one of these existing sets and edit it. If we want to choose an existing category set, we click on the Select Category Set button. This takes us to our Categories folder in My Focus Files. In here we want to choose the category Football Demo Category 1. We click on it and then click on Open. To find out more about how to edit and create category sets, view our Working with Category Sets video on our support page. We have now entered all the information we need in our new project window, so we go down to the bottom and click on Create. This launches the new project, back to the screen that we saw at the start of this tutorial, with a small window in the middle telling us we have successfully created a new project. Click OK. And lastly, a window appears with a summary for the details of the project we have created. Once again, click OK and Focus is ready for us to import video to start reviewing. To import clips from your video library, again go up to the top left of the screen. Click on the film strip icon that says Add a video clip to this project. We are then ready to browse and add our video clips simply by clicking on the icons. Once the video is loaded into our project, the final thing to do before beginning to enter information is to click the orange Logging Mode button. We are then ready to play the video and enter the events as they happen.